Charuta? Okay, welcome everyone in today's meditation session. Today's topic is courageous presence. Means through meditation, we are developing this mindfulness. Mindfulness means at every single moment, what is happening in our body, in bodily sensation, what is happening in our mind, thought-wise, emotion-wise, perception-wise, beliefs-wise, what's happening in our senses, sounds, here. So whatever is presenting itself in any moment, we come to know through this mindfulness awareness. And what we add on, that add on means like things that are happening and we are adding on our perceptions, our beliefs, our biases. We can clearly see the difference, the awareness and the content of awareness. And when we mindfully able to see what's going on inside, we come to know what are our thought patterns in a day. We come to know what are the beliefs or the things that are going on in the mind. And once we get that clear understanding, instead of reacting or instead of being in autopilot mode, we become more responsive, becoming aware and becoming responsive. So in meditation, so far we have seen mindfulness meditation, particularly starting with the body relaxation, body scan, and then meditation on our breath to generate focus. And as you generate focus, it gives to the various stages of concentration, and various stages of concentration gives rise to various insights, wisdom, and other good qualities. In qualities, we have used meditation to develop loving kindness or friendliness ability to wish happiness for ourselves and for others. In that kind of meditation, what we do is normally we have certain phrases. Those phrases we repeat as freely given gifts without any expectation. And those phrases are very general, like, may I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe. We repeat those phrases and we gather our all attention behind each phrase at a time. And by connecting to the rhythm with which we are repeating those phrases and the meaning that those phrases generate, we meditate and to generate the quality of friendliness. Another important quality is compassion. On the last day of Navratri, we did a meditation on Devi Kavach, in which we have seen various Devi names, what strength or qualities they represent, and how we can have that compassionate protection, intention of compassionate protection for ourselves. So today's meditation, it's called Compassionate Friend. Uh, this meditation is used to discover wise and compassionate voice that we have within ourselves. Each of us we have. Means compassion is on the onset of suffering. When something is hurting or it's not right or difficult, that time we all have this experience when we were small. Some people who were compassionate to ourselves when we did our mistake or when we were in trouble, it always gave us a right direction, right thing that we were needed at the moment. So that compassionate voice, that wise strength which each one of us have within ourselves, and today's meditation will help us to generate or to discover that voice. So today's meditation is a kind of visualization meditation. Means I will instruct you to imagine certain things, to visualize certain things. You can sit relax with no expectation. As much as you can visualize, that is fine. If there is no image comes to your mind, that is fine too. Each person has different degree of visualization. So just sit relax without any expectations and see how this quality of wise compassion or the compassion and wisdom arises within you. So this meditation is created by Dr. Kristen Neff. This is taken from secular version of one of the Tibetan meditation, which is used to connect with the true self. But because this is a secular version of that meditation, you don't have to believe in anything here. Just visualize and see how you can discover your own calm strength or wise compassion within you. So we will begin meditation. We will relax first. We will focus on breath, and then we'll start with the visualization. And after that, we would definitely like to discuss the experiences that you have. So please everyone sit comfortably. You can sit crisscross or in a chair or in a sofa. Feel supported through ground. And you can close your eyes, or you can have your gaze downwards in front of you. And you can take 2-3 deep breaths to settle down inside your body. And bringing awareness to the area in between your eyebrows. And feeling any sensation that you can feel in between your eyebrows. Any tightness, any pressure, any vibration, any tingling, any warmth, any coolness, any kind of body sensation that is present. If you don't find any sensation, that is fine too. And once you find the sensation, allowing it to be there and letting it relax. Now feeling your whole eye area, eyeballs, eyelashes, eye muscles. Feeling the sensation in those areas and allowing it to relax, softening your eyes. Our emotions have bodily component, physical component, as well as thought or mental component. So by knowing the sensation of the body, we come to know the wisdom of our body. So really feeling the sensation, allowing it to be there in your gentle presence and letting them relax, softening them. Feeling sensation in your jaw area, allowing your jaw to relax. In your neck area, front of the neck, back of the neck, side of the neck. And relaxing your neck area. Feeling sensations in our shoulder area. Shoulders are the area where we tend to store attention. So maybe taking breath in, bringing your shoulder all the way up to your ear, breathing out and relaxing your shoulder. Feeling sensation in your both hands. Upper hand, elbows, lower hand, wrist, palms, fingers. And letting your hands relax. Then feeling sensation in your chest area. You may find that your chest is expanding and contracting with each in-breath and out-breath. Here we use out-breath to relax our chest area. If we have exhalation bit longer than inhalation, then it helps us to relax Feeling your tummy area. Any vibrations, warmth, coolness, expansion, contraction, tension, knots, anything that you find in your tummy area. In your courageous and gentle presence. If you find any sensation, allowing it to be there and letting them settle. Softening your belly. Then bringing awareness to our back area. Upper back, middle back, lower back. Giving gentle massage of your kind awareness to your back area. Scanning for sensations. Naming them. Feeling them. And allowing them to settle. Feeling sensation in the pelvic area, seat area, thigh area. And allowing them to settle downwards toward ground. Then scanning your both knee area. If you find any sensation in your knee area. Gently allowing them and letting them settle. Bringing awareness to your calf area, shin area, ankle area, heels, toes, and letting them settle. Feeling the sensation of your legs touching the ground. And letting all your weight settle down towards ground. And again, bringing awareness to your tummy area. Softening your tummy. Your shoulder area. Relaxing your shoulder. And your eye area. Softening your eyes. And feeling your whole body sitting. You are resting into awareness of your whole body sitting. And as you are aware of your body sitting, you can also find sensations of your body breathing. Normal breathing. Breathing is something that is there with us since our birth to death. So having some affectionate awareness of your body breathing. The normal, natural breathing. Breathing in, breathing out. Being aware of your body sitting. Being aware of the sensation of breathing. And at any moment, if you get aware of any other sensation than breathing, such as sound or image or thought, you can just name it as not a breath. And the feeling of sensation you can gently name as a breath. Affectionately aware of your body breathing. You can feel it at your tummy area. Gently noting the sensations of breathing, or if it is not, if it's something else like sound or thought or emotion, as not a breath. You are resting into awareness. If for any reason you get distracted, the moment you realize it, you can gently come back to your breathing. Just as in a crowd, when we see our friend on a long distance, it's not possible us to reach there immediately. We just say, oh, there is my friend, same way. Bringing your attention towards your breath. There is my breath. Resting into your awareness, feeling your whole body sitting, sensations of your whole body breathing. And you may let go the focus on your breath, and you can have your hand on your heart or any other comforting area on your body, just to remind that this person sitting in this room, having thoughts and emotions that we have during this day, also deserves loving and caring attention. And letting go of your hand. And now we will move to the visualization meditation. So, imagining yourself in a place that is safe and comfortable, as comfortable as possible. It might be a cozy room in your house, maybe near fireplace, or maybe on a peaceful serene beach, or in beautiful woods, or in a garden. You are in a very safe and comfortable place. It could also be an imaginary place, like on clouds or any imagination that takes you anywhere, where you're reasonably peaceful and safe. And letting yourself enjoy being in this place. You are relaxed and with minimum expectation, visualizing being in a place as comfortable, as peaceful, and as safe as possible, and enjoying being in this place. And soon you will receive a visitor, a warm and compassionate presence. He or she is your compassionate friend who embodies the qualities of wisdom, strength, and unconditional love. This being may be any spiritual figure, any goddesses or god, or any wise, compassionate teacher, or any person from your past, like your grandparent. Or this being may have no particular form. Perhaps it is more like light or a warm presence. Visualizing your compassionate friend. And this compassionate friend cares deeply about you and would like you to be happy, free from any unnecessary struggle. Please allow an image or being to come to your mind. And once you have this image of compassionate friend in your mind, you have a choice to go out from your safe place and meet your compassionate friend, or to invite that friend in beside you or in a safe distance. And placing yourself in just the right position in relation to your compassionate friend. You can have respectful distance or you can be close, whatever is most comfortable and right for you. Imagining your compassionate friend in as much detail as possible, especially allowing yourself to feel what it's like to be in the presence of this compassionate friend. There is nothing you need to do except experience this moment in the presence of your compassionate friend who is wise, has a good strength, and is unconditionally loving. And your compassionate friend is wise and all knowing. And he understands exactly where you are in your life journey. And your friend might want you to tell you something something that is just what you need to hear right now. Please take a moment and listen carefully to what your compassionate friend might have to say. He is all knowing, he is wise, and he exactly know where are you in your life's journey, and he wants to say you something that is just what you need to hear at this moment right now. If no words come, that's okay too. Just continue to experience the good company. That's a blessing in itself. And perhaps you would like to say something to your compassionate friend. Your friend listens deeply and completely understands you. Is there anything you would like to share to him? And your friend may also like to leave you with a gift, a material object. The object might simply appear in your hands, or you can put out your hand and receive one. Something that has special meaning to you. If something appears, what is it? Now taking few more moments to enjoy your friend's presence. And as you continue to enjoy the good company, allowing yourself to realize that your friend is actually a part of yourself. All the compassionate feelings, images, and words that you are experiencing flow from your own inner wisdom and your own inner compassion. And finally, when you are ready, allowing the images to dissolve gradually in your mind's eye. Remembering that compassion and wisdom are always within you, especially when you need them the most. And you can call on your compassionate friend anytime you wish. and settling back into your body and letting yourself savor what just happened. Perhaps reflecting on the words you may have heard or the object that may have been given to you. And finally, letting go of the meditation and allowing yourself to feel whatever you feel and to be exactly as you are. And bringing some gentle movement into your body and gently opening your eyes.